Hello YouTube, welcome back to my channel. Today's YouTube video, what we are planning to talk a little bit about. In today's video, we are planning to talk about the top 5 tips for anybody that is planning to go inside a big place. The big place that I'm talking about is like a local hotel, like a local area that is kind of like a big hotel to like a big area that they are saying that we are united. We need those right radio feeds in the right areas. So I hope I hope you guys are ready for this video because I am. Please make sure to hit that subscribe button, ding that notification bell, so you guys will not miss out on any videos. So the first thing is, whenever you guys are automatically on on the only ways for like checking around the radio scanner channels, the radio scanner areas, the radio scanner builds. There is like several different areas. So the several different areas that you guys can like go check out like inside a big hotel if you guys like using like radio scanners and stuff like that. It's like you guys can listen to like security. You guys can listen to like area communication. You guys can like go around to picture yourself on using those, which is really kind of interesting. Another area where you guys can appreciate and think about whenever you guys are on inside of like a luxury hotel, it's the dress code. Sometimes in like big hotels, like in big places like those, your dress code differs where you eat. So kind of like if you guys choose to eat, like for instance, at a steakhouse, that's called fancy dining. Another area too where you guys can like automatically just go around to go choose and like automatically just go around and automatically just go use those areas. So the first thing is there are areas kind of like on the Titanic. Just to remember this, you got so the Titanic had first class, second class, third class, and then the captain works on his own class. And then after that, you guys got like a separate areas. You guys got several different places, like several areas, like several different vanishing points, which is really kind of interesting. Another thing too to think about whenever when whenever you guys are going on your cruise and stuff, it's like there's going to be like fancy dining, there's going to be like specialty dining, and there's also going to be like the main dining room and like the buffet. So each hotel is now saying goodbye to the buffets. Well, French Lick, that's another choice where people can go and they have like several different areas there. So So another area too. So another area too to think about is there are areas inside the entire places of like listening to radio scanner feeds, like listening to those to automatically differentiate your choices. So, for instance, whenever you guys are like picking out your local radio scanner feed, you guys have honestly like several different areas. And another thing to know is whenever they are going around to like go differentiate those choices, they got like number one, they got radio scanners. Number two, they got media people. Number three, they got all approval areas, which makes it look so very cool. Like these hotels that you guys stay at, which sometimes some of these hotels may give you guys beer, it may give you guys wine, it may give you guys liquor. It's just differing on the choices. So, another thing too to think about if you guys are like automatically just picking out your areas, you guys got several different areas of like different choices of like picking out the different radio communication brand, the radio communication areas. So, so another thing too, if I turn you guys around, these people's YouTube channel, Cruising with Ben and David, I've watched a couple of these guys' videos. I'm starting to get into it, but honestly, these guys make it really kind of interesting. Like, if you guys pick out the different areas where you guys are wanting to go to automatically go pick out those choices, which is really kind of cool. So, so let's just differentiate a choice. You guys are picking out number one, the right radio scanner. Number two, you guys are automatically thinking about the journey that of what you guys are going to be doing in that area. And another thing to think about is their areas of combine. So the areas of combine, you guys automatically got to think. Number one, there is the biggest radio scanner area of all times. Number two, you guys got abbreviated communication. Number three, you guys got into the know areas and into the know places, which can automatically differentiate your choices. So, so another thing to know is their radio scanner feeds in their areas can be automatically differentiated by their choices. And another thing, you guys just got to think about your areas and automatically dilute them. All right, guys, that's it. Have a great day, you guys. Have a beautiful day. And you guys, I will see you guys back here tomorrow.